clear, moving the lead bull into corridor C.
Copy that. Pace is steady on this side.
Keep the pace steady, approaching gate 3, all clear on the left side.
Every animal undergoes a detailed health assessment before entering the next stage of the production process. The hump and shoulders are well developed. No swelling in the joints. Body condition is ideal. A controlled foaming system evenly applies a specialized cleaning solution across the animal's exterior before the final rinse. Industrial air systems remove remaining surface moisture while maintaining a clean and controlled environment throughout the facility.
Final check on the legs, everything appears compliant.
Data logged. Approval granted.
The hides now enter a carefully controlled processing line, where every stage is monitored for quality and consistency. The industrial washing system removes remaining impurities while preserving the natural structure of the hide before further processing. Specialized cleaning rollers remove fine contaminants.
Are we good on this edge?
Yeah, that's completely clean.
Specialized dehairing equipment removes the hair layer while preserving the valuable grain beneath.
With the hair layer completely removed, the exposed grain is inspected before entering the leather conversion process. With tanning complete, the leather now enters the coloring department, where precision dyeing creates the rich tones demanded by premium luxury products. Continuous drum rotation allows the dye to penetrate deeply into every fiber, creating rich, uniform color throughout the leather. After complete color penetration, The leather is ready for drying and softening to achieve its final premium characteristics. Protective finishing improves durability while giving the leather its signature premium appearance. Each precisely cut component now enters its dedicated assembly line, where skilled craftsmanship combines with advanced manufacturing technology.
Make sure the alignment is perfect on this batch.
Yes, the robotic guide is set for the saddle leather.
Every finished product receives protective packaging to preserve its quality throughout transportation and delivery. Every detail reflects the precision, technology, and craftsmanship invested throughout the manufacturing journey. From carefully managed raw materials to precision-engineered luxury goods, every stage reflects the craftsmanship, technology, and quality that define American heritage leather.
The journey begins here, where the land meets the legacy. From our ranch to the world, this is American craftsmanship. From responsibly sourced premium leather to handcraftery products admired around the world, innovation, precision, and craftsmanship come together inside one of the world's most advanced leather manufacturers.
Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey through American heritage leather, where tradition, innovation, and precision shape every product from start to finish.